get so alone sometimes. It starts to make sense. On this side of paradise, we're never content when the grass always green.
Good morning. Welcome to my room again. Today I have a very exciting day planned. I am going to get my hair done. Yeah, it's been a year since I've been to a salon, and actually before that I never really went to a salon because, I don't know, my mom thought it was way too expensive, and I always do my hair at home. Like, I always bleach at home and always destroy it at home. So yeah, so as you can see, the current color and state it is in, it is all my doing. And though I really like this color, the tops are completely black, my hair is completely uneven, and I kind of want my whole head to be this bottom color but a little bit more ashy. So that's the goal today. After the appointment, I am going to meet up with my brother and have a little picnic in the park because it is a beautiful day and it is my weekly date with him. How have you been doing? Have you been making plans to make yourself happy? Are you finding a hobby that doesn't involve screens? I think that's pretty important. Yeah?
Get so alone sometimes. It starts to make sense. On this side of paradise, we're never content when the grass always greener on the other side of the screen. And misery set her sights on the likes of you and me. When arrows of love you pulled from my chest, when white mask of tragedy ties ribbons round our necks, and then shadows are cast over beds that we've made, and you start to forget why you came to this place. Then you go break their hearts. They don't know who you are as you lie in the dark. Do you know what you want? You get so alone sometimes you start to forget that this sort of paradise won't happen again. And for reasons unknown, we were brought to this place until legs grow too old to just fight